those that go through pain believe there's a heaven up in the sky. Up in the sky is a chillin' by my soul. I'm looking at stars, got me visualizing myself. Driving fancy cars, and dreaming got me living in this world starving. People be like, everything is possible. Yours been years, been believing. Been riding, hoping one day things might happen. Being stressed lately, being haunted by thoughts of quitting. Kneeling down, asking God for a chance to be given. Sometimes asking Him to take away the skill that I'm benefiting. But it always comes to mind, I'ma be worth something. Being told that conscience rhymes ain't danceable. If you're a practice, I make some money, then go commercial. All I want is props, I'm a name to be known. How am I gonna pretend to be happy when it's pain out here? Wishing Jesus would come to take away the pain out here. Bitter days got me asking, let me a chance to speak out. Man, let the world hear me, and what I have to bring out. Broken home seems miles away. Pitching a happy day when I see my fams again. Being told, welcome back, yo, we happy you home. Son, it's been long since you been gone. Smiles like the face of my mom. I hold her hand, the elder son, now a grown man. More responsibilities with my helping hand. It's just a life we live.
I'll say goodbye to all my heartache and sorrow. After tomorrow will be a brighter day. After tomorrow, after all suffering, all the pain that life can bring.
I see by the steps of my boys on the side of the house. Zoned out, eyes in a slant, a blunt in my mouth. System out, pumping, playing on Malawi music. I ain't lying about a new real, I'm starting to lose it. The corny got me thinking crazy things. I'm finna for blacked out chicken started with belly rings. A mansion full of plenty things, my name on many things. A couple rides in my garage, some rings, and a neck with a chain of bling. A chick wearing my ring, but that's not reality. The Mac's my only friend, that knows about the life of me. A hustling mentality, a henchman for my family. So if you wanna fight me, dog, I can't take it lightly. Addicted to having files in my hands, running with dudes just got the blood of Christ in their hands. But lately I've been talking this off, trying to see I got my wealth. See if I could help somebody besides myself. My pockets are slow, it's this gift I could use. Put my voice to a beat, projecting people's views. My people's my music, mean I cannot choose. Trying to fix my broken wings, I warn you dudes, I will not lose.
Some things I weren't meant to see. Blow a kiss, say goodbye, catch you some other time. But in the meanwhile, I pray to God that He take care of me. Let the storm settle, I'm caught in the rain. The only story I have to tell you, I'm afraid it's out of pain. Let me explain. Situations sometimes make me ask myself, is it really worth it? Let them know it's hard when the only thing to rely on is faith, and the only answer to your problems is running away. I pray I stay, but it comes with a price that I'm unwilling to pay. Emotional scars, that's why we wish on stars. Let the sun shine, angels to protect what's mine. My mind and my faith keep me sane, cause I got a lot of questions, I need answers. Like why good things happen to bad people, and why Henry and Rodney had to die so young. Unforget a rainy day, dog, it rains every day. My world, our problems escalate from rooftops to the sky till our lives are clouded with strife. I don't understand this, I look up the heavens and shake my head. God, please explain why. Lord, explain why we live a life like this. Yo.
mama.